Hi guys, good morning. We left Ather for service yesterday. Then to Ather and getting it back. And we booked the auto. It will come 2 minutes away. Hi, what are we doing here now? Hi guys. Wow,
Your auto experience.
nice. Oh my god. This is my second time doing auto.
Yeah, you like auto.
Oh my god. Yeah. Something is. Hi guys, we came to Ather showroom. See ya guys.
This is what Whitefield Service Center customer lounge looks like. So untidy, and they don't have even fan in this room. So they took one day to service my vehicle as a general service. Just need to change the brake pads. That's it. And after this service, this is how they clean it and give you the vehicle.
क्या बात है सर क्या बात है सर क्या बात है ये बात है
So untidy, and the Ather should have to look. Ather should look after this. It's so dirty, like how they are giving the vehicle to the customers. And this is the bill I have attached here, and I don't think so it's worth paying so much for this service. I don't know why they charge so much. And the worst part is the service advisor over there, and he'll force you to do a Teflon coat, which even I was fooled, and I agreed to do it. But later on, now they did not charge me because the Teflon coat was not done properly. Scratches were there like that, so they finally agreed. Like I had to fight, or like not fight. I had to argue with them for more than 1 hour there. And the lounge, I could not wait in that lounge. It was so untidy lounge over there.